Hi there, this is Adrian Percy. I'm the Executive Director of the NC Plant Sciences Initiative, and this is another edition of PSI in the Field, although as you can see we're not starting in the field, we're actually starting in the Optical Sensing Lab here in the Plant Sciences building with Professor Mike Kudnoth. Mike is a professor in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering and a world expert in optical sensing. Welcome, Mike.
Well, thank you for having me.
Great, so tell me a little bit about your project.
Sure, yeah, so the project that we're working on recently is to develop new sensors that use light polarization to sense starch and sugar in plants. If we can detect starch and sugar in a plant, then we can measure one of the key outcomes of photosynthesis. And right now the only sensor that can do that is called a light core. It takes 5 minutes to measure. It's not very scalable. So what we want to be able to do is develop more scalable sensors.
Here at the PSI we talk about doing interdisciplinary research. What does that mean to you, and how is this particular project interdisciplinary in nature?
I think in terms of this project, it's really about leveraging the expertise that I have in polarized light and coupling that with the knowledge of plant physiologists, plant biochemists, plant molecular biologists, so that we can create very unique data sets that no one else in the world can assemble. Being able to leverage AI and machine learning and all the modeling that we can do to help speed up breeding programs, make more resilient plant varieties, and really try to develop the next generation of plants.
Excellent. And so you're part of the PSI community. How has PSI impacted and hopefully improved the impact of your work?
It's been phenomenal, I think, because we have the majority of the researchers are under one roof, and that roof has a greenhouse. We have our lab that you see here in the same building as the plants that we're measuring. It also allows us to perform the optical measurements in the same space as we're performing those ground truth measurements to create that unique data set.
Mike, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.